Good morning, everybody. Welcome back to today's vlog. Today is Thursday, October 9th, I think. And I am going to a soccer tournament for boyfriend's daughter, whatever you call her. And I am apparently going to be meeting possibly his father tonight, and which I have not met yet, and his maybe ex-wife, and maybe even his brother that I have not met yet, and his fiance. So I'm kind of nervous, very anxious about this, but super excited at the same time. So it's a late afternoon game. So I'm currently working right now for a little bit, and then I will finish up the rest of this and head out the door. So I'm leaving work early to go do that. Like I said, excited but nervous. Happy Thursday to you guys. I hope you guys are doing fantastic. I miss you. I have not been around, and I apologize for that, but I'm trying to come back. I'm making my comeback here shortly. Let me just show you the outfit of the day. So far, I have not done my makeup or hair, obviously, as of yet. I think I'm going to straighten it because I think curling it might be a little bit out of whack today with the outfit that I'm wearing. But let me just show you what I'm wearing for now. We'll get into the rest of the day. Don't have any other plans, but it's going to be a late night, and we're going about an hour and a half, a little over an hour away. So excited, but here we go. Let me show you. Happy Thursday. Welcome back to today's vlog. Thank you to everybody who is still here, who has commented, subscribed, who still hangs around waiting for me to come back. I am coming back. I'm just struggling to find my way back into this, living here with everybody, always home, and it's kind of like, it's kind of stressful. But I don't know what I was just going to say. Doing well, still sick, still have this like post-trip stuff that just won't go away. But anywho, we're trying to get back into the groove of things. Let's go. Let me show you what I'm wearing quick. Right, this is what I threw on, guys. I don't know how it looks because I'm just feeling kind of ant today, but it's the off the sleeve Torrid baby doll type top. And this is what it looks like from the side. Pretty cute. It's off the shoulders, and it's got the flare arms, or whatever you call bell sleeve, I mean. And then I'm wearing the bell bottom type jeans as well. They're kind of flare at the bottom, skinny jeans. They've got the double pockets on the top. I love these. They're American Eagle. And then and just put on those gladiator shoes with this. I don't know how this looks and if this even looks good, but it's what I'm feeling comfortable in today, enough to go to this outside soccer game. So I'm just going to go with feeling good. I might throw on, because it's supposed to be 85 today, but the game is at like 5 tonight in the evening, and the sun's starting to go down around 6:30. So it might get chillier this afternoon, so I may throw on a jean jacket over this, but I haven't decided. Might just bring it with, and then just to have it. So anyway, here it is, guys. This is outfit of the day. Good morning, everybody. Welcome back to today's vlog. Today is Sunday. I don't even know what day it is today. Sunday the 11th, Sunday the 12th, something. Ooh, hello. Just got out of the shower. I did not wash my hair. Today's not hair wash day, but I did shower because I think we're going to head down to the river, but the kids aren't really feeling the greatest. I actually kind of don't really feel the greatest as well now that I think about it. But it could just be because all I've had today's coffee and it's 11:30 in the afternoon or 11 o'clock in the morning, something like that. Anyway. So happy Sunday. Welcome back today. It's cloudy outside. It's only going to be 52 degrees. I threw on a hoodie. I'll show you my outfit of the day here in a few minutes when I finish getting ready. But I'm going to go ahead and get ready just for a quick whatever. I don't know if we're going to go or not. Boys just wanted to stay home this weekend and chill, but we've been home all weekend and it would be nice to get out of the house for a little bit. So we'll see. But anyway. Happy Sunday. Let's get into it. I hope you guys are doing great. And we are slowly, eventually going to be coming back. I'm starting to get into a little bit of a kind of a groove. We're trying to tell myself to get into a groove. So let's get ready. Get ready with me. Let's do my makeup in the dark because I don't have lighting in here. Here we go.
I keep waiting for you to call. I'm thinking that I'm gonna need a miracle. Wasted again. I tell my friends I'm feeling like you're coming, 'cause I feel the sun. I'm waiting for the special touch you give. I'm needing it more than I ever did. I don't wanna be a sacrificing love. For you I will. You should be here with me. No wasting time, yeah, you've been on my mind. Don't overthink it, you were there from the start when my heart became yours. Don't say we're over, you should be here with me. I'm waiting for the special touch you give. I'm needing it more than I ever did. I don't wanna be a sacrificing love. Before you I will. I keep waiting for you to call. I'm thinking that I'm gonna need a miracle. Wasted again. I tell my friends I'm feeling like you're coming, 'cause I feel the sun. I keep waiting for you to call. I'm thinking that I'm gonna need a miracle. Wasted again. I tell my friends I'm feeling like you're coming, 'cause I feel the sun. For the special touch you give. I'm needing it more than I ever did. I don't wanna be a sacrificing love. Before you I will. should be here with me. No wasting time, yeah, you've been on my mind. Don't overthink it, you were there from the start when my heart became yours. Don't say we're over, you should be here with me.
All right, let me show you the outfit of the day. Remember, it's Sunday. It's cold outside. It's 50 degrees. I'm wearing a long sleeve pink shirt underneath this white Adidas hoodie. And then I'm wearing the white Adidas or black Adidas leggings. Just out and about. Like I said, we're going fishing. Then I have on my black Nike tennis shoes and some little socks. And then I just threw my hair up into a clip back here that matches. It's like a pink clip. And then I just did the bangs and the sideburns, whatever you call these, side bang. I don't know what you call these. And then that quick makeup look. So this is how we're gonna go out. And this is the outfit of the day for fishing, because you have gotta have shoes on down there because it's one, muddy, two, we're right on the rocky, right on the edge of the water, etc. So it gets kind of rough to walk. So you gotta be careful with what you're wearing. But yeah, this is the outfit. Let's go. Here we go, dudes, peoples, peeps. We're headed to the river to fish. So we're headed to the river to fish. The boys, both boys and I, we're gonna head down to the round there. We just had some lunch real fast. Kason and I had Subway, a sandwich, and then Tegan just had McDonald's because that's his favorite. So we're headed down to the river and we are headed there now. We'll be there in about 2 minutes. It's 12:05 at noon on Sunday. Sunday, let's go fish. Let's hope that we get to catch something, because the last 3 times I've been down there, zilch. Let's go.
I keep waiting for you to call. I'm thinking that I'm gonna need a miracle. Wasted again. I tell my friends I'm feeling like you're coming, 'cause I feel the sun. For the special touch you give, I'm needing it more than I ever did. I don't wanna be a sacrificing love. Before you I will. You should be here with me. No wasting time, yeah, you've been on my...
Are you having fun down here? They're gonna go sit in the car for a little. Tegan's way up there too. That's really awesome. Look at that tree house you built. They're all gonna come down with the wind. Pretty fancy. No? Oh, that's really cool. Good morning, welcome back to today's vlog. I just showed you my tree outside my office window. Beautiful tree outside my window. It's so beautiful. I love all the colors, and that's the tree that always changes colors. It's so pretty. So it's early morning. I'll get ready in a little while because today is just a regular work day. Today's Tuesday, by the way, October the 15th. And so I'm getting ready to start working here, but I just looked out my window and noticed that tree is really bright today. It was not like that yesterday that I recall. Anyway, welcome back to today's vlog. And so today's just a regular work day, and then at 5 o'clock, so right when I get off work, I need to leave right away because I'm going to be going up north to pick up his daughter with him. We're going to take a 3-hour drive up there and 3-hour drive back this afternoon. It's gonna be a long evening, a long night. I probably will not be back home until about 2 o'clock in the morning. So it's gonna be a long night. He needs to go with his daughter. He's gonna have her all week. His truck's crap, so we always take my car up there because it's nicer. But this is the first time I'm actually gonna be riding with him to go pick her up. So it should be an interesting car ride because we always have like karaoke and things like that going on. So that's always fun. But anyway, I'm gonna start working, get some stuff finished up, and then I'm gonna start getting ready here in a little bit, and then head on up north and take a long car ride this evening. So I just want to touch base and say hi. I'm still alive. I am trying to get back into the swing of things. Slowly but surely, this vlog is a little bit better than it's been. So I thank you for everyone who is hanging on and sticking around and commenting, saying they, miss me. It's great to see me again. I appreciate you guys. You guys are awesome sauce. I appreciate it so much. So things have been going pretty good. I mean, normal stuff. Finally starting to feel a little bit better after being sick for the last month, I feel like. Still have the runny nose, though. I don't know what this post-drip stuff is going on, so that's still kind of bothersome. But feeling better, moving, doing things, getting out of the house, living life. Been fishing a lot lately. The last few weeks we've been out fishing on the river and things like that, as you'll see in earlier clips. So let's get into today. I hope you guys have a fantastic day. Thank you for sticking around. I appreciate you all. Thank you for all the new subscribers. Thank you for the OGs that have been here. Thank you for sticking around and waiting me out. And like I said, I am slowly but surely coming back into these regular vlogs. Probably a weekly vlog, most likely, because I'll try to clip a little bit in here and there throughout the day, each day, if we're doing something. Today is, like I said, Tuesday. Tomorrow is Wednesday. Nothing else going on tomorrow, I don't believe. And then Thursday is MEA. It's MEA here in where we live. So the kids are out of school Thursday and Friday, which is nice. So they have a longer weekend to their dad's house this weekend, and they'll go on Thursday night. So that'll be kind of fun. And then I'm off on Friday, so I have a little bit of a longer weekend for myself, which will be nice. I don't really know what I'm going to do and get into yet. I don't know if we're going to hang out and do stuff together or whatnot. Oh, and I want to touch base too on Monday when I went to, I don't know what night that was. It was the first clip of this vlog, the beginning of this vlog when I was getting ready to go. And I was wearing that black off-the-shoulder blouse top thingy-majiggy with the big, bell sleeves. The night that I went out to the soccer game for his daughter in an hour away or whatever, hour and a half away, that went really well. I met his dad. So that went really well. He's pretty quiet. Didn't say a whole lot, which is fine. We were outside on the field watching soccer. It wasn't like it had to be, but it was nice to meet his dad. Ended up driving home the wrong direction, so we got home 2 hours after the fact of when we should have got home because we were going the wrong direction versus the direction we should have been going. But that's what happens. Sometimes that's what happens when, yeah. And then I also had met his ex-wife, and that was quite interesting as well. So it is what it is. Whatever. Now I've met everybody except for his older sister or younger sister and his younger brother, but everybody else I've met. Well, not aunts and uncles and things like that, but his main, family. Oh, and I also did meet his nephews, and I'd never met them before, so I'd met his nephews when I ended up sleeping over that night too. So. And the next morning when I woke up, I was like, who are you? So it was kind of fun. Anyway, so things are going really well on that front. And yeah, we're just one day at a time. One day at a time is all we're doing. So anyway, I'm going to get off right now, do some work, and then I'm going to start getting ready. Maybe I'll take you along for while I get ready. And then I'll show you the outfit of the day, which isn't going to be spectacular, guys. We're going to be driving 6 to 7 hours on the road this evening, and it's going to be dark because it gets dark here. And now the sun rises at around 7:30 in the morning, give or take, 7:45, 7:30. And the sun is down at like 6:15, 6:30. So it's been getting dark earlier, and I hate fall, winter because of that reason, but my favorite time of year is fall. So give or take, right? No, I like the cold. But since we're going to be in the car, I'm not probably going to get really dressed up, but I'll just show you what I put on just for a car ride, just for whatever. So anyway, let's get some work done. Let's get into today. I'll touch base here in a little bit once I'm ready or as I get ready. Hope you guys have a fantastic Tuesday. Let's go. All right, here's the outfit of the day. I promised you that I was going to show you. I did a real quick makeup job. You guys saw the video, and it's only down to 7 minutes, so I did my makeup in 7 minutes, give or take. Fast makeup, like I said, nothing special, spectacular. No jewelry today besides bracelets from my girl. I have on this, let's see, this is a oversized, really thin weight from last year, Rolling Stones hoodie. Sweatshirt, I guess, per se, from Maurice's. This is a size 2, and it's very oversized, as you can see. It does come down a long way, and it's like boxy, so that's why I like, you know me, I like to front tuck, front tuck it. And then I'm wearing size 18 American Eagle jeans, and these have the flared bottoms. They're kind of like a flare bottom, and then the skinny jean the rest of the way up. And then I'm wearing my Vans. That is the outfit of the day today. This is the outfit of the day. Here we go. Hi guys, welcome back to today's video. Today is Wednesday. Today's the 16th of Wednesday. Wednesday the 16th, I believe, is today. I don't even know, but today's Wednesday. Last night's drive went really well. Didn't end up getting home till 5 a.m. this morning, but it was great. We had a good time. I'm making hard-boiled eggs currently. It's 10:19 a.m. and then I just made breakfast because I'm hungry. Coffee didn't hold me over today. Yes, I'm still in the same pajamas or same clothes as yesterday because I came home 5 a.m. Had to wake up the boys at 5:30. And I haven't had time to change my clothes yet. So I've washed my face, brushed my teeth, but I have not changed my clothes. Anyway, happy Wednesday to you. Let's get into today's vlog. I don't think anything's happening today, so there may not be anything today, but in the next few days there will be. Stay tuned. Look at what Mom found. A heart-shaped potato.
$50.
It's $50. All right, I'm just going to show you what my room looks like as of right now. So far, this is what I've got listed. So I've got our picture over there. Yes, I know I need a little place for my beer. That's stupid. Need some stuff on my wall. Don't have anything on my wall yet. I'm going to end up changing this bedding because I don't like what it looks like. But right now, I don't really have anything to go on the wall yet. And I don't know what I want to do up there. So I'm just using my old bedding for now. That is considered my closet. Yep, closet. Just a rack full of clothes, shoes, whatever. Everything over there. Cat stuff right here. Then if you turn in front of my bed right here, as you can tell, there's my mirror, my TV stand, another stand, and all this other stuff that's kind of placed right here. Blankets, the extra blankets on top of Dad's safe. Then if you go over here, that's the boys' room right there. If you go over here, this is where I'm getting ready with makeup and stuff right next to the bathroom and other stuff like that. It's a mess. Yes, that's all my fishing stuff. I'm washing the bag. And then there's more closet space because it's hoodies, pajamas, jeans, towels for taking shower, etc., etc. Just a garbage can for whatever reason we need a garbage can for down here. And then the shower. I didn't do anything with the shower. We're just leaving it as is. That's the shower. And yeah, so this is the beautiful bathroom. Yep. Here we go. Then if we were to go in here, this is the boys' room. Obviously, you guys know the boys have an actual bedroom. They have all their closets and dressers. And hi, Tegan. All that good stuff. And then Tegan's fancy lights. Just giving them a home tour because we haven't given them one yet. This is their bedroom. This is Tegan's side. That's Cason's side with all his posters, etc. It's a fast one, Tegan. I'm not really showing much. Legos. We need to go through the Legos and get this all cleaned up. It's kind of a mess. And then again, more Legos. And then they have a closet full of stuff as well. So lots more stuff in there. You've cleaned the closet?
Yeah, see? Now there's not as much of a mess.
Yeah, I guess it looks a little bit better. It's hard to see. Oh, there's my jacket. I've been looking for that. Okay, good. I didn't know where I put it. So this is the boys' bedroom area with dressers and whatever else. I'll just show you our area down here because this is our living space. And then you come around the corner. This is Mom's eBay stuff. Yes, it's terrible. That's the upstairs to get to the upstairs. And then Mom's eBay storage area as well. So ignore that. Kitty litter box. And obviously the laundry room. So this is our living area down here that we have. And then obviously we have a parking spot outside on the my Jormus driveway. That ginormous driveway outside. Let's see. Okay. There you go. There's a home tour. Oh, hello.
I was supposed to hear.
Hello.